Hey ladies, I'm back with another review. This is for the BTArtbox nails, the X-Coat tip nails, and it comes with 5 different designs in this pack. This is like the pre-designed set. These will last you for a while, so let's go ahead and get started with the prep. Now you do want to go ahead and get the excess oil off, so I use alcohol for that. Then you want to go ahead and push those cuticles back. This is very important. And then you want to give your nail a little file. This will help your nails last up to 28 days. Next step, you want to match up your nail size. There is plenty of nails in here, so you should find your size. Then you will put on the nail glue that comes in the kit, and then you will cure it for 60 seconds. And then the next step is your builder gel. This is very important. The builder gel will keep your nails from chipping, so make sure you are placing this on your nails before you put on the top coat. And this, go ahead and cure it again, and then this is how the nail will look with the builder gel, nice and shiny. Then you will add the top coat, which is the last step, and you add the top coat, and you'll also cure that as well. Applying these nails are very easy, and it can be done within an hour. And this is the end result. So this is how my nails look. I have not been to the nail shop since November, and these are my favorite press-on nails. So make sure you're liking and subscribing to my channel to see more videos like this. See you soon.